Good morning, children. This is Dharmendra Sharma, and I have got an opportunity to teach physical education subject to 10th class. Hopefully, you all are well with your family members. During this lockdown, we have to cover our first term syllabus. The syllabus as follows. Section A, there are 4 chapters. Chapter 1, Human Growth and Development. Chapter 2, Physical Education. Chapter 3, Body Types. And Chapter 4 is Physical Fitness. Section B, Football, Cricket and Hockey will be the part of first term. Children, I have prepared notes for you so you can easily understand. Let's start with our first chapter, Human Growth and Development. Most of the people use the term growth and development interchanged, but the reality is totally different. Let's try to understand the concept of growth. Growth refers to physical increase some quantity over time. It includes change in height, weight, body proportions, and general physical appearance. Development concept and definition. It refers to the qualities change in human life. Development is a continuous process throughout which physical, emotional, and intellectual changes comes. It is more wider and comprehensive term than growth. It is possible without growth. Development is continuous and gradual process. There is one definition given by the Crow and Crow in 1965. According to his, development is concerned as well as those changes in behavior which result from environmental situation. There is comparison or differences in growth and development. Let's see. Growth refers to only physiological changes, but the development refers to overall change in the individual. Growth in the quantitative, but the development changes in the qualitative. Growth does not continuous process throughout life, but the development change and continues throughout life. The another topic is growth and development characteristics at different stage. Growth and development are never ending process. It starts from conception period and goes up to death. The stages of development in human being are almost similar for all individuals. The stages of growth and development are: number 1, infancy stage. It starts from birth to 5 years. Childhood stage. It starts from 5 to 12 years. Adolescence. It starts 12 years to 19 years. Adulthood is 19 to 65 years. Old age 60 years onward. Let's take first stage, that is infancy stage. Infancy has two stages: prenatal stage and babyhood stage. Prenatal stage, as it starts from single cell to multi-system of the body. During this stage, mother need to take extra care because she just conceived. She has to go for regular medical checkups and follow doctor's advice. Mother should remain happy Moreover, healthy atmosphere should be provided to her. In babyhood stage, during this stage of child, especially mother should understand the child needs like proper feeding, hygienical environment, sufficient rest and sleep, vaccination of the child, etc. Now, the next stage is childhood stage from 5 to 12 years. This also divides into three stages. Number 1, early childhood stage. It starts 5 to 7 years. Middle childhood stage 7 to 10 years, and later childhood stage 11 to 12 years. In early childhood stage, growth of the child is slow, neuromuscular development slow. What is neuromuscular development? It means what child thinks and how his body react. That combination is called neuromuscular coordination. There is mismatch. Another thing is intellectual development is also slow in this stage. Learning takes place through cramming. In this stage, the hygienical habits and moral values should be given during this age. Moreover, in this age, social relationship only with close ones, not with the others. The next is middle childhood stage. It starts 7 to 10 years. In this stage, child again gain some slight improvement in flexibility and coordination along with strength, endurance and speed. As you know children, here you have noticed in early childhood age it starts from 5 to 7 years. In this, neuromuscular coordination is slow, but now the middle childhood, in this stage the coordination between mind and body, it improves. Okay, the next is later childhood stage. It starts from 11 to 12 years. During this stage, the growth is slower, but the development is very fast. Muscle gain strength, neuromuscular coordination improve, social development comes through family members and friends. In this stage, child has lots of energy, more attention, good education, logical explanation and guidance should be given during this stage. Now the next stage is adolescence stage from 12 to 19 years. This stage is very delicate periods and challenge for the parents. Teenager often gives importance to friends and neglect families. Adolescents need good diet, heavy physical workout, creative activity, logical explanation and good friends. Teenager should be motivated towards moral values, controlling emotions and also proper use of finance. The next is adulthood stage from 19 to 35 years. It has also two phases. Number 1, youth stage 19 to 35 years. Youth development is a process that prepares a young person to meet the challenge of adolescence and adulthood and achieve his or her full potential. Now, children, last we have adult stage from 35 to 65 years. In this stage, developing an independent sense of self gaining the traits associate with wisdom and social maturity. So, my dear children, here we have finished almost our half chapter. In my next video, I will explain the factor influence growth and development, adolescence change, need, problems and management. So, whatever you learned, you revised it and make a note of it so that you can be a benefit of this online classes. Till the time, children, take care. Goodbye.